Hey, so this has been in someone's basement since 1970. This is a Watts leather postal bag, and it is almost dry as a cracker on a level of 1 to 10, where a 10 is it's ready to snap like a cracker. This is about at a level 7. And here's the mail pouch. Yes, it's actually legal to own these, even though this used to be post office property. So anyway, I'm going to use two things. First, I'm going to use Dr. Jackson's Hide Rejuvenator. I've used, oh god, a dozen of the best recommended things for restoring leather, and nothing comes close to Dr. Jackson's Hide Rejuvenator. Step 1, I'm going to use a cloth, and I'm going to rub it in, and then after that seeps in, I'm going to use this. Part of the name's rubbed off is called Obenhoff's Heavy Duty LP. It smells like beeswax and honey, and you do not use a cloth with this. You actually grab a bit of it, and it melts under your hand pressure, and then you rub it in. So the name's worn off, but it's Obenhoff's. Okay, Obenhoff's Heavy Duty LP. This stuff is incredible. It's got a really light smell to it, and it's just dreamy. It basically smells like honey. And then I'll go to video number 2. You can see how dry it is. Really dry. And show you what restoration looks like. You see here? It's starting to crack and craze. Look at the bottom. And then we'll go on to video number 2. Check that out after I'm done. It will take about 3.5, 4 hours to restore it. Well, not that long, but ultimately it will. That's taking a 1-hour break. And it'll take about 2 applications of Dr. Jackson's Hide Rejuvenator and 2 applications of Obenhoff's. Check out video number 2 for what the final product looks like.